Hey guys, welcome back to Arty Vibes, and today I'm going to be showing you how you make something a little like this. So let's get started. All you'll need is some cardboard, a lid, or I'm using this Kinder Egg thing, some scissors I'm using, and a non-reusable mask. So yeah, first you're going to cut 2 holes next to each other in the cardboard like this, and it should look something like this. And then you're going to cut 2 holes in the lid next to each other, and it should look something like this. Okay, so now you're going to cut this bit off your mask, and you should get this bit, this little elastic bit. And now here comes a little bit of the hard part. You have to thread your elastic through, and it's a bit hard, as you can see here. I'm just gonna use the scissors to help me, so I'm going to put this through as much as it will go. Oh, we got it through. Now we just have to put the other end through the other side. Like this. And then you're going to make sure your ends are equal. Just pull this one through a bit more. So now they're equal, and I'm going to grab my cardboard and stick or push the holes through. And if it's not going through, you can use scissors to help you by holding on the other side, getting the scissors, and pinch it and pull it up. Because scissors are a lot thinner than your fingers. Okay, so now I'm going to tie the back. Just gonna try do a nice knot like that, and you're gonna cut all the excess off. And this is optional, but I think I'm actually going to do this. You can leave the knot there, or you can grab some sellotape and just find the end. So you can grab some sellotape, just a little tiny bit, like this, and you can stick it over the knot so it doesn't come undone. But yeah, now you've got this joystick, and you can spin it round, and you can move it, and you can move it however loose or not loose you want. As you can see, this one's like a lot looser, and this one I use string, but this one I use elastic. And yeah, that's how you make it. So see you guys next time. Bye.